Have you ever caught AI making up information? I mean, completely inventing things that aren't true. Let me show you 3 real problems that happen every day. First, watch this. A customer asks about a refund policy, and the AI confidently makes up rules that don't exist. Next, someone asks about parking at their doctor's office, and the AI invents parking spots that aren't even there. And my personal favorite, someone asks about office hours, and the AI creates opening times completely from thin air. These aren't just annoying mistakes, they're destroying trust and costing businesses real money. But what if there is a way to make AI tell the truth every single time? Today, I'm going to show you something called Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or RAG, and it's completely changing how AI works with information. In the next few minutes, you'll learn why AI sometimes makes things up, how RAG fixes this problem, and exactly how you can use it yourself. Plus, I'll show you what happens when major companies implement this solution. Results might surprise you. Let's start with a simple question that puzzles many people. Why does AI make things up in the first place? Imagine you have this incredibly smart friend who has read thousands of books. They know about history, science, business practices, everything. But here's the catch. They've never seen your company's specific handbook. So when you ask them about your company's policies, they have 2 choices. 1, admit they don't know. Or 2, make an educated guess based on what they know about other companies. This is exactly what traditional AI does. It makes educated guesses. This is where RAG changes everything. RAG stands for Retrieval-Augmented Generation, but don't worry about the technical name. Think of it like having a very thorough assistant who follows 3 simple steps. First, they listen carefully to your question. Then, they check your official documents, your actual company policies, procedures, and guidelines. And only then do they give you an answer based on your real information. See the difference? Instead of guessing, RAG actually checks the facts first. Now, let me show you how RAG actually works, and I promise to keep it simple. Let's use something we all understand: organizing a messy desk full of documents. Step 1, organization. First, RAG takes all your documents and breaks them into smaller, manageable pieces. It's like taking a thick book and creating a detailed index card for each important topic. Step 2, smart storage. Each piece of information gets organized in a special way. Imagine the world's most efficient filing cabinet, where finding information takes seconds, not hours. Step 3, quick reference. When someone asks a question, RAG immediately finds all of the relevant information in your files. No guessing, no making things up. Just accurate answers based on your actual documents. Let's see how this works in real situations. I'm going to show you 3 examples that demonstrate the power of RAG. Example 1, customer service. Before RAG. A customer asks about a return policy. The AI gives a generic 30-day policy that's completely wrong. With RAG, the same question gets answered with your store's actual return policy, including specific details about your location and procedures. Example 2, healthcare. Before RAG. A patient asks about preparation for a procedure and gets a generic medical advice that might not match your hospital's protocols. With RAG. The patient receives your hospital's exact preparation instructions, including specific parking information and arrival times. Example 3. technical support. Before RAG. A user asks about software compatibility and gets outdated information that could cause serious problems. With RAG. They receive current, accurate compatibility information directly from your latest technical documents. Notice something important here? In each case, RAG isn't just being smart, it's being accurate with your specific information. Now that you understand how RAG works, let's talk about what you need to make it work for you. Here are the 3 basic things you need. First, your important documents. These could be company policies, product manuals, support documentation, or any information you want AI to use accurately. Second, a way to organize all this information. Think of it like moving from a messy filing cabinet to a perfectly organized digital library. And third, an AI system to work with your organized information. But before we get started, let me warn you about the 3 most common mistakes I see people make. Mistake number 1, using messy or outdated documents. Your AI can only be as good as the information you give it. Take time to clean and update your documents first. Mistake 2, poor organization. It's like giving someone a library with no labels or shelves. They won't find anything useful. Make sure your information is well structured and clearly organized. Mistake number 3, trying to do too much at once. You don't have to implement RAG for everything immediately. Start with one department or one type of document. Perfect it, then expand. Now, let me share some practical tips that will help you save time and effort. Tip 1, start small. Pick one specific use case, like customer service responses or internal policy questions. It's better to do one thing perfectly than many things poorly. Tip 2, test everything. Before going live, ask your RAG system the most common questions you receive. This helps you catch and fix many issues early. Tip 3, keep it updated. RAG is only as current as your latest documents. Set up a regular schedule to review and update your information. Think about your organization for a moment. Which area would benefit the most from having AI that never makes things up? Now, let's look at what this means for the future of AI in business. We're at a turning point in how AI helps organizations. First, imagine never having to worry about AI making up information again. Every answer comes from your actual documents, every single time. Second, think about how this changes customer trust. When your AI gives accurate answers about your specific products, policies, and procedures, your customers get the right information the first time, every time. And third, possibly the most exciting part, your AI keeps getting smarter as you update your information. No retraining required. Let me show you what this means in practical terms. Organizations using RAG are seeing faster customer service responses, more accurate internal document searches, fewer support escalations, and higher customer satisfaction. Think about your own organization for a moment. How would this level of accuracy change the way you work? Remember, the goal isn't to transform everything overnight. It's about building trust through accuracy, one answer at a time. Let's bring everything together. So far, we've covered why traditional AI sometimes makes things up, how RAG solves this by using your actual documents, and exactly what you need to implement it. But here's what really matters. The future of AI isn't just about being clever or fast. It's about being trustworthy and accurate with your specific information. Now, I'm curious to hear from you. What's one area in your organization where you need AI to be 100% accurate? Let me know in the comments below. We read all your comments and make new content to help you out. Also, join our free AI business community for free info, tips, and other business owners and entrepreneurs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get videos with practical AI insights for businesses. See you in the next video. And if you found this video helpful, you're going to love this video right here.